Welcome in Wrocław again. In the Granary hotel is situated on the street where are many theaters. Very small street that is leading to some kind of a church, looks like. I don't know what was this building. It's very close to the central station. It takes like a 15 minutes walk. This is a reception. To the room. Very nice soft carpeted. We are at the entrance to the hotel room. There is very nice special wardrobe. So you are getting the bathrobe, there is a safe, and actually a lot of drawers for your stuff. Another wardrobe. In here they have a coffee station with a machine, kettle. They are providing also some water, glasses. Looks pretty cool. And of course the little fridge. I haven't seen actually if they have a iron, for example. Maybe we can ask at the reception. If you need, you can always ask at the reception. So the room, as you can see, is like a really very spacious and beautiful. In here there is a desk. You can work. Double bed. And some sofa, TV. It's really like a small apartment. And the view. Wow, looks cool. And the bathroom, there is a hairdryer, toilet, a very spacious bathtub. That looks really cool. A very big space. And it's also possible to ask for additional bed, like for kids or maybe additional person. And you can open to have way more light. So we are in Teatralna Street. street, and in here they are different theaters. This one is a puppet theater, Teatr Lalek. So mainly they have a children's place. They have some nice sculptures, really cool. So this is actually the whole street dedicated to theaters. Really beautiful building. And there is a park here. At the moment it's still end of winter, so no trees. Bajkobus, so that looks like it belongs to the puppet theater. Looks really cool. Old trees. And this is a circus. What is inside?